I recently renovated my master bathroom, and I thought the hard part was over until I had to take a bath. The cheap bathtub faucet I bought completely ruined the experience. It leaked constantly, the water pressure was practically non-existent, and it took an eternity to fill the tub. After returning 3 different models, I realized finding a faucet that combines speed, durability, and style is a massive headache. So I personally tested the top options on the market to save you the hassle. Let's dive into the best bathtub faucets available today, and stick around for number 1. It's an absolute game changer. 7. WOODBRIDGE Floor Mount Freestanding Tub Filler Faucet. When you first unbox this unit, the premium quality construction is immediately apparent, boasting a heavy, solid brass main faucet body that feels incredibly durable in your hands. It is accompanied by a beautifully crafted hand shower made of high-quality 304 grade stainless steel, which the manufacturer designed specifically to resist tarnish and everyday corrosion. Aesthetically, it brings a highly contemporary, minimalist vibe to your bathroom, standing tall like a piece of modern art right next to your soaking tub. During my testing, I found the core bathing experience to be quite satisfying once the water was running. The single-handle lever design operates smoothly thanks to the drip-free ceramic disc cartridge, allowing you to easily dial in your ideal water temperature with minimal effort. The main spout delivers a generous, thick cascade of water that fills up large soaking tubs in a highly efficient time frame, which is exactly what you want after a long, exhausting day at work. The attached stainless steel hand shower is also quite powerful, making it very convenient for rinsing off soap or quickly washing your hair, without having to submerge yourself completely. However, the real-world experience of living with this WOODBRIDGE model quickly revealed some frustrating drawbacks that you need to be aware of. The freestanding floor mount design is notoriously finicky to install, and unless your subfloor is perfectly leveled and massively reinforced by a professional plumber, the entire tall faucet assembly tends to wobble noticeably whenever you bump it or pull the hand shower hose. I found myself having to be overly gentle when using the hand wand, constantly worried that pulling the hose too firmly would loosen the base plate from the bathroom floor. 6. Hansgrohe Locarno Freestanding Low Arc Bathtub Faucet. If you are passionate about vintage interior design, this faucet will absolutely blow you away, as it is heavily inspired by the 1920s Art Deco movement. The geometric, octagonal forms recall a monumental period of architecture, creating a bold and powerful authentic statement piece that brings an undeniably glamorous sophistication to any bathroom space. It is an incredibly heavy, substantial piece of European hardware that promises to pump an impressive 5 gallons per minute through the main spout, ensuring your bathing fun can start almost immediately without a long wait. The included hand shower is also wonderfully engineered, featuring a 1.75 GPM flow rate that keeps it fully compatible with modern low-flow water regulations without sacrificing pressure. It offers 3 distinct, fantastic jet modes: powder rain, rain, and whirl, which provided an incredibly pampering, massage-like experience during my testing sessions. Keeping the unit clean is also a breeze thanks to the quick-clean silicone nozzles on the showerhead, allowing you to easily wipe away line scale and hard water buildup with just a quick rub of your thumb. Despite its breathtaking beauty, my hands-on testing uncovered some severe functional limitations, starting with the exceptionally low-arc design of the main spout. Because the spout does not curve very high or reach very far outward, it severely limits your clearance over the bathtub rim. If you own a modern freestanding tub with thick, insulating walls, you will likely find that this faucet barely reaches over the edge, causing the powerful water stream to splash aggressively against the inside wall of the tub, rather than plunging cleanly into the center of the basin. 5. Pfister Kenzo 2-handle wall-mount tub faucet. This fixture represents a distinct shift toward highly modern, Scandinavian-style aesthetics, featuring a sharp, square design and a striking open-channel waterfall spout. When I mounted this to my testing wall, the sheer visual impact of the cascading water completely transformed the space, relaxing my mind and body before I even stepped into the water. Available in sleek finishes like matte black and polished chrome, it brings a fresh architectural wave of modern design that strips the water experience down to its most beautiful, simple form. The performance of the Kenzo is just as impressive as its sharp looks, providing a deeply satisfying, heavy flow of water that dramatically cascades into the tub basin like a natural spring. Despite the massive visual volume of water it produces, it is remarkably water efficient, rated to meet or exceed strict Cal Green criteria to help conserve water in your home by at least 20%. You get the luxurious, high-end spa aesthetic of a rushing waterfall without the associated guilt of draining your hot water heater or skyrocketing your monthly utility bills. During my rigorous daily testing, the dual handle operation proved to be incredibly precise, allowing me to fine-tune the exact hot-to-cold ratio with a satisfyingly smooth turn of the square levers. Pfister has equipped this model with their P Forever Seal advanced ceramic disc valve technology, and it absolutely lives up to the hype. Even after weeks of heavy repeated use, there was never a single drip, leak, or stutter from the handles or the spout, ensuring a totally maintenance-free, never-leak performance that gives you ultimate peace of mind. 4. Kohler Tone Bath Faucet Trim with Diverter Spout. This model completely won me over with its beautifully understated fresh take on mid-century modern design. The fixture features incredibly clean lines anchored by a soft, teardrop-shaped base that brings a warm, inviting elegance to your bathroom decor. It strikes a perfect transitional balance, ensuring it won't look out of place whether your home features a stark modern aesthetic or a more traditional, cozy interior design scheme. When it comes to practicality, the Kohler Tone really shines with its highly functional proportions. It boasts a very generous 8 to 9/16" spout reach, easily clearing thick bathtub walls to deliver a thick, quiet, and splash-free stream of water directly into the deepest part of your soaking tub. The two lever handles offer a fantastic tactile feel, rotating with a heavy premium resistance that allows you to easily command the water flow and dial in your preferred temperature perfectly every single time you bathe. One of the standout features during my extensive testing period was the incredibly convenient placement of the diverter knob. Kohler intelligently placed the diverter mechanism right on the top of the spout itself, featuring a simple slip-fit connection. Unlike awkward wall-mounted diverters that force you to stand up to reach them, this setup allows you to easily switch the water flow to your shower head without having to move from your comfortable, reclined position in the bath. The Kohler finishes also deeply impressed me, aggressively resisting everyday corrosion and tarnishing to maintain a flawless shine. Ultimately, the Kohler Tone is a brilliant, highly reliable trim kit that proves sometimes simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. 3. Grohe 1957-7001. If you are doing a deck-mounted installation right on the rim of your tub, this European masterpiece is an absolute dream come true. The Lineare collection is built on the concept of sensual minimalism, stripping the faucet down to only the most necessary, thinnest possible elements. It utilizes a beautiful composition of two simple geometric structures, cylindrical bodies seamlessly meeting thin rectangular forms to create a stunningly harmonious, cosmopolitan aesthetic that commands immediate attention. Underneath that beautiful exterior lies some truly serious plumbing engineering. It features the massive Grohe Silk Move 35mm ceramic cartridge, which provides the single-lever metal operating handle with an impossibly smooth, gliding motion. It also features a built-in temperature limiter for added safety, preventing accidental scalding when the water pressure shifts. The bath inlet delivers a thick, aerated stream of water that fills the tub rapidly while minimizing splashing, providing a very serene, auditory experience as the water cascades down. My favorite aspect of testing the Grohe Lineare was using the integrated Senna stick hand shower. This incredibly sleek, minimalist metal wand rests perfectly inside the tub deck when not in use. When you pull it out, you are granted a massive 79-inch metal shower hose, providing an absolutely enormous range of motion. I was able to easily reach every single corner of my oversized soaking tub to wash away soap bubbles, and it proved to be an absolute lifesaver for bathing the family dog without causing a mess. The longevity and durability of this fixture are virtually unmatched, highlighted by the brilliant Grohe Starlight Chrome finish. This made-to-last surface treatment is designed to stay looking as shiny as a diamond for decades. 2. Moen Adler one-handle multifunction bathtub and shower faucet. Sometimes you don't need a fancy freestanding pillar or a deck-mounted waterfall. You just need a classic, wall-mounted workhorse that will never let you down. The Adler collection is a staple in the plumbing world, featuring smooth, sweeping curves, a low-arc profile, and a minimalist aesthetic that suits an incredibly wide variety of bathroom decors. The moment you feel the heavy brass and metal components, you instantly know this fixture was built to withstand decades of daily family use. The absolute crowning jewel of the Moen Adler system is the inclusion of the legendary PosiTemp pressure balancing valve. During my testing, I purposely ran the dishwasher and flushed a toilet while the bathtub was running. Thanks to the PosiTemp technology, the water temperature remained perfectly locked within a safe range, completely preventing those sudden, freezing drops or terrifyingly hot spikes in temperature. If you have young children or elderly family members in your home, this advanced temperature control feature is an absolute non-negotiable lifesaver. Operating the Adler is a lesson in perfect ergonomic simplicity. The single lever handle allows for completely effortless, one-handed control over both the water temperature and the flow volume. You simply pull it outward to turn the water on and rotate it to dial in the heat. Furthermore, it comes equipped with a phenomenal multifunction shower head that pumps out a highly satisfying 1.75 gallons per minute. It offers multiple different spray patterns for a deeply personalized shower experience, allowing you to seamlessly transition from a relaxing tub soap to an invigorating high-pressure shower. Maintenance on the Moen Adler is remarkably simple, as the highly reflective chrome finish wipes clean with just a damp cloth. 1. Moen Belfield one-handle freestanding bathtub faucet. If you want to transform your master bathroom into a 5-star luxury resort, this is exactly how you do it. This floor-mounted masterpiece is utterly flawless from top to bottom, featuring a highly reflective chrome finish that provides a stunning mirror-like look designed to elevate any decorating style. It stands like a proud monument next to your tub, delivering a jaw-dropping visual impact before the water even starts flowing. Unlike the wobbly, poorly balanced freestanding models we discussed earlier in the video, the Moen Belfield is engineered with absolute structural perfection. When properly installed on the floor mount, it is rock solid, completely eliminating any terrifying swaying or leaning when you adjust the handles or pull the hose. The main spout arches gracefully, with plenty of reach, effortlessly clearing the widest tub rims to deliver a heavy, rapid-fill stream of water right where you need it most. It even fully complies with Americans with Disabilities Act specifications, ensuring it is incredibly accessible and easy to operate for everyone. The bathing experience here is nothing short of majestic. The single lever handle is perfectly weighted, making it remarkably easy to adjust the exact water volume and temperature with just the tip of your finger. It includes a phenomenally well-designed single-function hand shower attached to a flexible, high-quality hose. I found this hand wand to be perfectly contoured to the hand, delivering a robust, targeted spray that is absolutely perfect for rinsing thick lather out of your hair or deep cleaning the sides of your massive freestanding tub.